What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Behind me back there is the thrift store we are going to hit today. I haven't been here in about a month, so I'm basically going to go in here. I'm going to scan all the CDs, DVDs, books, see how much we can make from one crusty old stinky thrift store. It is half off day, so the parking lot is packed. Full disclosure, I hate being around all these crazy people in these thrift stores, but this is the business, this is the life I chose, so you all can tell me down in the comments to suck it up, and if you don't like it, go do something else. But that's what I do. Full-time Amazon seller, last 7 days in sales, 3562, right? So I'm making a little bit of money. I'm not rich by no means, but hey, I can live comfortably living out here in the middle of nowhere. If you're interested in starting or growing your Amazon media business, join the YouTube channel, $2.99. Thank you, Loud Motorcycle. We got weekly live calls, a private Discord, and the go-to lister lifetime discount. So the membership pays for itself, honestly, if you use go-to lister. Anyways, we're strapping up, putting this on our holster. We're getting in here. Scan. I don't know what we're gonna find in here. These places, these community aids are hit or miss, and you never know what you're gonna walk into. That's the risk of thrifting, right? Like, you don't know what you're gonna find. We could go in and we could find 3 cartfuls, or we could find 3 items. So it's keeps you, you know, living life on the edge. Anyways, I'm shutting up. It's beautiful out today, right? Like, I'm not bundled up, and listen, I'm a wuss when it comes to cold weather. So it's like 70 something degrees. It's finally getting a little bit warmer. All right, I guess I'll go in here and deal with all these crusty people for you all out there in the YouTube universe. So let's go. All right, we are back from the community aid. That is Zazu over there, Deb's favorite orange and white cat of the bunch. He's a bad, bad boy, that one. Anyways, we found no CDs, 0 CDs. We got 4 DVDs, and believe it or not, a bunch of books. They didn't have a lot of books. Usually they have 2 whole walls full, but the ones we got were actually pretty good. On average, we paid about $1.25 per item. It was half off for some of the color tags, so we'll say it's $1.25 per item. Let me get my phone recording so you guys can see exactly what we got going on. First up, we have a PBS DVD, brand new sealed, Endeavor, 3rd season, which will fetch you $8.54, 37 sales score. This will sell pretty quick. Next up, Turistas, unrated. $9.95, another pretty fast mover. We got MGM, dead giveaway on the side there. Also the MGM lion up top. The Bishop's Wife, $7.45. This thing sells every single day. Miracle, $5.76. This also sells every day. It is a Disney movie. If you're gated in Disney, I tell everybody, make sure you got enough profit to justify getting ungated. I am ungated in Disney, Nickelodeon, Universal, all of that fun stuff. So I can sell basically 99% of the catalog on Amazon. I've been doing this forever, so I get a little bit more leeway when it comes to the gates versus somebody that might be brand new. The rest is all books. Sniper on the Eastern Front. It's funny too, because usually the books suck there. We got somebody selling it at $12.58. They don't know what they're doing. Used buy box is $22. We'll undercut them. You make $10 profit. Stuff they don't want you to know. UFO stuff. UFO stuff's always good. Any type of weird UFO, Bigfoot, 676 profit on that one. Always does well. Same with like tarot and things like that. I see this book all the time, and the barcode never scans, and I'm pretty sure the ISBN doesn't scan either. I'm gonna try, but I know it's profitable, and I don't know why. They just seem to be heavily in my area. 303, but we're gonna price this up, right? You see the new is $41.78. We're probably going to be closer to the $15, $16 mark, so you don't always have to be the lowest price on some of this stuff. So for me, this will probably be like a $5 bill. And we only paid 99 cents for that one, so we're good to go. Marriage and the Mystery of the Gospel. Religious books. Love them just as much as I do self-help. Super small paperback, $4.98 profit. We paid 50 cents for this one, so not bad. That thing sells all the time. Next up we have Real Food for Pregnancy, The Science and Wisdom of Optimal Prenatal Nutrition. This will sell the day it gets checked in. We're going to make $7.99. We paid 50 cents for that one. Portland Headlight and Fort Williams, an illustrated history with a walking guide. No ISBN on the back, so this is one of those ones where it just kind of, it does have the map on the inside as well. Kind of jumped at me off the shelf. Actually, it does have the ISBN. It's like stickered on the back, but I'm pretty sure I opened to scan it because I remember seeing that map on the inside. Slow mover, right? But there's only one merchant, so we're gonna undercut the merchant. You see the fair value is 21. We'll do like $19.99. We'll make like 10 bucks. Holiday Buzz. This is a weird like fiction one. Like most of us probably wouldn't even bother scanning, but for some reason I did. Used buy box is going to the merchant at $12.50. I don't know why. This person might not be buy box eligible, $17.55, but I'm going to undercut them. We'll make $7. We paid $1 for that. Prozac. Panacea or Pandora? I have no idea. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong. You all can yell at me. I just sell things to make money. I could care less about what the books are, what they're about. $7.64 profit. Subverted. $5.74 profit. Paid 50 cents for that one as well. The Art of Invisibility. I don't know why I couldn't pronounce invisibility there, but $7.16 profit. My books just keep falling over. Nafanua, Saving the Samoan Rainforest. Another weird, like obscure non-fiction type style book. Doesn't sell often. I would argue that the buy box is way too inflated here. This will probably be like a $17.99 book. We'll make about $7. Don't just go off what the buy box is. The War on Warriors. Behind the Betrayal of the Men Who Kept Us Free. Pete Hegseth. This guy is like one of the president's like cabinet members. I actually found one of his books signed. I knew this would be worth it. Fast moving, 636, just because anything that's current events is always going to sell better. The Sheep Look Up. Pretty cool cover design. Something about escalating destruction of the earth. Basically $5 profit. The Kingdom Net. Learning to network like Jesus. I have no idea. The greatest networker in history was Jesus Christ. Beginning with a team of 3 close friends and a dozen followers, he created an organization that today has over 2 billion members. I wonder if he was posting on Craigslist to get people to follow him. Used buy box is $8.98. Well, actually, it's going to the merchant at $25.79. I still think that's out of whack. I'll do $19.99. We'll make like 10 bucks on that. The System of Antichrist, Truth and Falsehood in Postmodernism and the New Age. This is one of the ones you see. You're probably like, yeah, this is probably worth it. 10 bucks. And last but not least, wait, I lied. I got 2 left. Butch Blues, small fictional, right? A memoir. 119 sales score, you make $6.51. Now, last but not least, A Pride and Prejudice retelling, Unequal Affections. The best book of the day just happened to be the last one. I swear to you, I did not plan that. You can make $43 on this. We paid $2, so not too bad. Overall, the books were actually half decent. I mean, it's not enough to fill a box, right? But if you got 10 thrift stores in your area, you can make a little bit of decent money selling media on Amazon. And you don't always, you know, it's important to not just be the DVD guy or the book girl, right? I still looked at the CDs. I still scanned the CDs. I still scanned the DVDs. You take what the thrift stores give you. And a lot of times it's not much, but not much. A lot of times is much. I just came up with that. I don't even know if it made any sense. That's going to do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more no-use CD wrap-up videos. Bye-bye.